The next question in this series is string validator. So basically in this question they have explained some functions. Okay, so here it is the function to check whether the characters of string are alphanumeric. Is a function to check whether the string are alphabetical or not. Is is a function to check whether the characters in the string are digit. And is lower and is upper functions are used to check whether the character is in upper or is in lower case. Okay, so as you can see here in input they have given us qa2 and there is a sample output. Okay, so output format is given over here. As you can see on first line we have to check whether the numbers are alphanumeric on okay on first line we have to check whether the s has any alphanumeric character. On the second line we have to check whether it is alphabetical character. Okay, on third and on fourth, okay, on third line we have to check whether it's digit, and on fourth and fifth line we have to check whether it's upper or it's lowercase. Okay, so we'll proceed to the code. I have already written a code. Here we are using list. Okay, so here we are using a list. So I hope that you have solved the list comprehension in this Python HackerRank series. The same concept is being used over here. Okay, so these functions which are mentioned above check if all the characters of string are in upper and lower case and then returns the boolean value. Okay, but in our output or in our sample input we have to check only one. Okay, so consider this sample input. Here only 2 is digit. Okay, so if we use this function as it is, then it will return false value because other two are not digit. Okay, so it will return a false value, but what we want all values to be true. That is, if at least one value is correct in this list, then we have to return true. Okay, so at least one value should be true. Okay, so for that we are using here any function. So I'll tell you what any function does. As you can see over here, as you can see here there is a list, and in list there are two members 1 and 0. Okay, here there is one true and here there is one false. Okay, in list there should be at least one true value to return it true. Okay, so and as you can see in this list the both values are false, so the any function returns false value. Here any function returns true value because one of the element in the list is true. The same function we are using it over here. Okay, if any one of the element is alphanumeric, then we are returning true. If any one of the digit in the string list is true, then we are returning true. Okay, so here we have used print function to print this. Okay, now we'll submit the code. I hope you have understood this explanation. If not, then let me know it in comment section given below. I'll answer you out there. So it's success, as you can see, and also all other questions of this Python HackerRank series will be available on my channel. And also thank you guys for watching this video.